Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken rice noodle soup, only way. Start by simmering chicken bones or thighs in cold water to make a clear broth, skimming foam as it rises. Add sliced ginger, smashed garlic, and salt. Simmer gently for 40 minutes. Remove bones, strain broth, and keep warm. Prepare noodles and cook briefly. Combine with thinly sliced cooked chicken and fresh herbs before serving. Bring the kettle and your patience. Start with cold water and chicken to extract flavor slowly. Add aromatics like ginger and green onion early. Simmer gently rather than boil to avoid cloudiness. Taste and adjust salt in stages, finishing with a small splash of fish sauce to round the flavor. Strain carefully so the final broth is clear and fragrant, ready to highlight tender noodles and fresh herbs. If you are enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and easy kitchen hacks. Quick recommendation: life is too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, familiar scent that pairs oddly well with a savory kitchen session. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. Handle noodles with care. Soak them until flexible and blanch just before serving so they stay al dente in hot broth. Slice cooked chicken thinly against the grain to ensure tenderness. Assemble bowls with noodles, chicken, and hot clear broth poured over to heat everything evenly. Top with cilantro, lime wedges, thin chilies, and extra green onion for brightness. Serve immediately so texture and temperature are perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.